fa we ntwamu na minion mo ha ide ye nka ne bebre edura Kotoko supporters ni binom ko akoto ho kosra no na omo mission ye titititi a
mo de mo kwa na to ko from body asem pe ni bia
fanti ase ntina masesa because earlier on me ka say obo we na ase of me pese isi no obi abegima no asi bone na ensem ye ntintia titititi a ko bisa jefefo no say he be jawni status ne san
okay
enti enra ye highway show na no be 5 mo no e na koto so e de pen we no cho good kata so we na osan de kogu computer so e na o de send email e de kwenti Kotoko has asked the Ghana Football Association to come clear on the status of Hibejew.
Are they getting the picture? Omu TV binti ana
because omu ye suspicious. Adentia
no mo so munuanum so mo dia aba na say omo yes
enya official letter for Salim.
Okay koma usuni de okay
I'm found them has enya official letter for Agbeshi.
Say ayi de oya number 1 dada anya say dem
say aside the team no ntono no nya fe ne yes be friend no ono ye part of the team.
Okay
ye kan omo ye from do ma be kan team no
ade we na records mo hwe mam say bia si pen say afa two goalkeepers from one club bi
Kotoko de omo nya baby kra.
Okay
there was a time na Odumne Antonio Sekojo nyina our Black Stars.
Okay.
Yeah, CCC. I think has a full crowd no BSC. Simon Adoni Obiasa no mo nyina so Black Stars. Ghana had the test.
Yeah.
Enye news ah.
Okay.
Yeah, enye news ah. Enti no CCI no de ha Kotoko for ne say empelifo no I requested the administration secretariat for no I requested for Hebrew passport. Eko ama passport no eko akodi for no.
That was last week Wednesday.
Sometime last week, yes.
Omusaka.
But
yes, you will league aye boni yen hye.
Any what you say?
E be say ehun some Omusaka yen no.
Obeko bia.
Ka mo hye.
Yes, you who planning.
Yes.
Any bibia. Yeah kan. You bet no Kotoko. Ene e bia ne o say no ene no mboko mboa. Ombesimako.
Sabe ka so mo. Ene okay, so go be Sunday. Bia na ya.
Ombesimako wenchi. Bia mboko tetetima ho ba bi kakra. Na bia Oma boys ewure akọ eni ade enti obekọ okobo ne ball se ne nadwum kura anya ne kesene se ne wo cycle no kura no a ebetima prepare no ubetima challenge no kura se masa all eyes are on you ho bo na mie blasters kwan no emiemu ye ma wo no ni nyina no Kotoko we have to know se bi dia ma fo ho mu de Kotoko has a ho mu de a ade na Kotoko de they have been kept in the dark.
Ano muto mu kakra so eno so nye pressure bi no mo de
that be what for now
the story is Kotoko making official the amagf for say person hunu Hibejew
ni status
yes on blaster call
mo ma ye hunu say
that is the news
the passport na maji bi visa na mpesa mo jima no na na yesu ya prepare na adwen na
ya say the it is a technical director bi so we ranti bi Belgium munyi we free na mo fa nko my ne san so ani nyina Kotoko
na wo fa sa de Hibejew betimi de asema ba
sa ade
agency bi enso ye Hibejew ho adwuma
on akontu on the said the order that
na sa agency no omo so eye adwuma de Ghana Football Association panyi pa bi agency ne panyi pa no kwa bankrom say ye mpushi Hibejew nko na ye nyina ha no kakaka fiafiawo
ya fiare de
oh na fa so what you say
ko bi witi fiafia
oh na fa so what you say
unya ko sera ba kwa bi na wu ya fiafia nkroma na masia
ofa jai
de ko ni ayo no fiafia
what you say eti ofa eno so ama chuchuchu aba ho
okay
but technical team member no ono so very influential. No. Also belong to an agency in Belgium. Also the players. Tapu some African players be their kodada.
Okay.
Including some Ghanaian players.
Wait.
Eti abe wait. Na eta technical director no krano. Also no so sport to Hubert. But in the meantime, ne die. Kayen for Switzerland ni no enko. Na echire no na ya Hubert ho asmaka.
What I say.
na panyini pa no so atwetwe na bu say because information ya pekini say minister of sports mpo aka kire mo say sa akola po ese Kotoko player bem wa ka kire
akoduro
wa edu ho ama Kotoko fo ni bi mpo afa minister say minister omudi ade no kwa ye pay hu ka hu
great wisdom. Maybe I call up an Edwin. It's a merit
na merit na one lobby they say normal of a lobby they normal we on confer from lobbies omo djuma no dey lobby 14 upe bibia de ko hu omo omo be ya be lobby am make sure say won saka
so because phone to me that no afra ko ya no akwaje no boys no dey abra
no dey abra 30 minutes we don pa ma phone nyira sisi ana na ko hu omo ka to me say phone nyira obi say phone type ben ne boy yes say o kan was say okay say phone we say no ebia 3,500 osema me ebia 1,000 na me kwaje me no okwa no de 500 come obo no so de 500 share no na oju fun abrel so until lobbies there e ho nti say no akwe lobbying from all quarters pushing to the minister no say ono so on for na ntum bi ama minister de na no atum na sempe de for betie minister na so mu ntie minister no ofa eno ayasem sebe eno so ayebuachi bidin eno so ayasem kese abeda ho no mo na dentia enra na a technical team member of the Black Stars ebuofu ye oyire pafo na oni ye producers na kuntokwa ne say o se ye na ya press panic button no technical team member enra bia ye sorry no wa ha no o fe technical ye
say ye na dey
o se ye ya press panic button no I'm talking about a technical team member ba ku bi o call am so say kase o mo represent no so kan hu bi na ni abere pop say I pay for the player and the passport so mo fa letter my ya mo na bote na mo ntwen say ya dey Monday beba Monday ba mo bia mo na yesu bi say masa na letter kro na no nyama bi na de comedy ama de ko house na de na Kotoko de o si mu kan dada wo medu yi na say house de ni ho ye nkran ho anti e bia letter no na anti de o de ko no wa amre na etwa mu ko du takwa de a kai ba kuma sa na ka du enti no so ho no mo a ho no na ofa behind the scenes the yetete ne say ahwe na Hubert Ankobi
omi entwen adwada
na omo person beka
acha adwada
because e bay omo kan sa me ya e de hula balu bebre beba ama ahwe na eso e de
possible delay
enti no omo eye ni dia na bay ho na say omo na so dia omo ko
okay
and the ba ne sa no a uye de kura omo chira omo ba na maka na mo jai na chese nanka eno anu nti of a bit maka cho say Salim Adams a part of the team that will be going to play for the friend friendly yes
okay
you can say
Agbeshi and also
and Asari are in there
okay
nti
Kadiaka
see idea
between Belgium and as a player on a Gaywu
Belgium Gaywu and Prince Owusu kakra
okay
Prince Owusu de no payini bi awo me de ma pushi say Prince Owusu no Black Star wo
diade na when you say house de na
so atase
asar no hoda da
na abeka ho nti mo ho na mo fa Salim so meka ne ho
se bia na de nya bia na de okoye mo hwe no mo anya de mo pe wo no mu nti ene fu de wo
nti ono so pushi pa to the extent so suggest ka tom say ene carbon drop Hubert kwa na mo fa
on so obi e pre nti baka
sisi ano Kotokofo no o ma ye nyanka mu ni kamafo omu ni kamafo
so ma ya no official to we o mo fa akwan so we nya ntokwa ye ebusa ati ebusa so na ma
say be yiwa no ka yiwa no
oh na say what's studio akwan so sem de nti no na ha nti o ma sisudua say mo aye na bia na aha
ofa adwada be betena ha
okay
aka kire wo say Kotokofo nte hwe we say wo ha buhu
Yentredwada we say o say Dani Ajama Prempe good morning Tino and your crew. Do you remember in 2022 Samia J and James Nano were all part of AFCON squad in Mali, and also 2004 George Owu and Mohamed Al Hassan were the two keepers Ghana took to the Olympic okay and they should get ready for that. Some of us we will not support the national team without Kotoko player and has have two players a big no I'm Ponseji ne die no Zack I can say a house of folk become Chelsea Lions Gold Stars Adriana Hoho United Karela boy 11 won the summer test Mediama Basketball Stars Oblast Young Apostles Kotoko Nations Dreams FC way any week 23 games are you heard ni mu nyame adoma ne ene ne chena
Tino menim de ba tin say menim the supporters na ese omuko secretary to no
ona nye bebre me kind pa ba ku bi ya say what is na tia ne na ji kakra say na penka say na making ntina panyin no akoboa na na akutu ayedi here menim say menka the need for there so just that na ho anko bia ono so ebe ka no
honestly I think say and if I'm pasa akutu so chure letter na
na say nko churo
da bi
sa
omo nanka na
ubisa de ba
nanka minima
unya yanka wo ka cho so mo ntwen
no this is enye ne dwuma enye say
nya
enye kotokwase de kura enya tamnya de omu ni hutumi so ma bibia
samu
de bi no kwewo a yanka nchen
nua
see na identity games no 24 27 for na say 25 so also then the 27th
yes
of next month and I'm say also then the Friday
yes
they will play the German on I think around Tuesday or Wednesday so what does it near Boston on Friday yam fan say from 24th to 27th na say games in na there
ebabaso
and then say
na February 21st
and the February 21st more than 1 month abatino collapse no don we and say ejije obia passport so what I say nte bia technical team no ewo phobia mfa say 40 players ewo mutrim say me be pick bia 30 and say 27 from the 40 pool of
out of 40
no
me fa 27 every
but yen no bia status because ball no emeka no 1 month
na dantem
be 5 days or something days and dantem
you need 5 days in graph when case 1 month
o de 1 month so within that period no dey play a bit about 5 or 6 matches depending on the competitions that we will pick up and say we here so within that period about 5 matches and only the ready ebesi with injuries with then form na nyamante no they pick the players bebre na ji obia passport and the passport no enche say when you call up nzame de obianya call up mediama
yanka jini yaje
passport
ni guarantee
say visa e dey amount in case of say time no do na ye call up na o kan ho a already wo den o
visa no ho dada
and say no obiama call up just that yaje na visa agbesi ye man call up ni passport ni yaje ko visa amano Asare your man call up even though you say he's a blaster number 1 by asat now your man call up yet by agent the passport na ko visa amano Germany and Austria tell us what I say
me to asepa
sana who bet dia no so no omoje ne passport ko visa amano say daachi say yes squad no o ka ho a already know already
or visa your documents were added
eti akoto I think say honestly me nka no mutia me na so ntema nka mama ni message ago to misrew
no na ni hali nyumre na ye ko highway na bebo no ko fa church pa
me damo kakra
yeah
ti mse me koye 120 na my America kakra ti me de ho me sorry it's wala na ba fo e ka se bi no say zakito omo no statistics entina ma me twem se me ko ma me ho ase zakito no da se you know
all my brother
so it's you honestly me committing and na like my message fast you shouldn't follow what support
the more yeah
and you to kwase de
bibi no muti o Zack minim say the Zack e ka
tino
kwa mo fa no nto nchen
you ever drop no you ever friend no and you must you can't change anything you can't do anything about it me Jawu what the need to 2 boys na amwe na I'll pick Jawu so I say me say Jawu the Salim any Jawu to I'll pick Jawu this season and about obi long go wash it about the ball no there so I know how some Kotoko wa dey be the se moment abako ebtin bi na no ka che say ne opponent we ni odi oni bo it is akwa ni bo.
Oh yeah, sure.
Has for that be man say we mujawu ni die oni ball bo. It tells you how the boy has been special. But nobody can control it. Say be friend him friend who to continue ho hwe. Your friend enya wona we ye. Ya friend so a wotimi nya ho hwe.
Na okay, said okay, come to go we cry na e man ho koyen he bi. You have a point, mom. Seriously.
So, it is here no. Yenye mo bia collab yet. Because you see, even though we are Blasters player, your chance of getting visa na dey about 95%. Say 95 okay.
Yeah, 95 here.
We are Blasters player ni am visa no Kofi go show fee. The moment you are a Blaster player, ni your visa ni am go back and check your family. E bia na bi ho.
On check documents mo fee.
Yeah, fee. Because Blasters ready. A national team that you say you refuse to visa because they see you as you are not potential risk of anything. So that's it. And it's a quite amount. But amoye when we are it's a couple 2 weeks. No matter the swan. Satam no more call up no because Satam no dey a clear picture of who is fit or who is not fit. Eba.
No for the friendly.
No.
Okay. Quickly. Based on the ejijigu hono. Hear the back question.
Enti misre. Yeah. Kotoko fo no. Mama mahubet je hunye hi. Akoto obet me cancel message eyin na o send
na can make say
cancel ten.
Say enyanto mu anko we. Eh bi want me network wo free hono na say anto. Ka we go mi aso na.
Yeah, network nye. On check now. On stop on for 105.
Ah, go buy bia.
So mama no hunye hi.
Yeah.
Because as now the enyam obi collab. The boys still have the chance.
Yeah.
Onko so on mbo den.
Yeah, quick line me call you now.
Abbas Saba. Ghana Football Association Administrative Department no. Actually the Coma Club be say a player e be a passport for a certain engagement as anything. What does it mean to what
I don't know what you see you know say you be here for a matches na ye person ye ko bo no. Obianu ha wonya even patrimony ayanim so boya ayikra no obianu ha woni dey say
enu ni collab no ne hin
enu dey ya fra no
and ye ka say ye ko bon friendly match fa ma player no ye be hia no fa the passport play ni enya ho ayi ne mfa ntu kwan collab baby
enu ma mfa to say players no mu ye be ni position ho na so we mefreda mu ye be say 20 and 15 ne go enti agigi agu ho mu guso obi kra betu pra ye be yi bi afri ho nti yan men kan che o ne ya se mu player na mu ne passport abre ya fa na wi o da bi
no fa we no o ma tro akoma has Abbas ni bisa no se agbesi o mu ntro letter mere wo mu se o mu nya agbesi
obi ya se
na tro akoma me die ma on sale
ba die e be to
na we dey ntro ye
o da bi o mu nyina no aye sa ne sa collab no ye wo the main collab and you request for your passport. So at the first stage in the request for your passport, so as a player, no, we may need him for this friendly. So give us his passport. No magic. I could pay that man. Then I got 2 weeks, 1 week. Then they make no my official announcement
on a place now. I'm picky,
no my show me na no. And I'm saying me. If you allow me, Mr. Kitu, on any day I'll choose Obejawu over Salimo over me. I'll choose Obejawu because I say pa and then day, get leg no more for the day. He's better. Now no talk about some more Babiara. Or Jibon ask for the pintakeno. Who bet Jibon or qua? Don't me ask on channel about say how much boy freeze on the debit so much channel. Or Chomus no. He's a brilliant man for that. But the minister say, my man who with some unnecessary EB and I letter and then there's a more born way. Then we should continue campaigning and calling them say who be Jody or deserve a chance to be in also March to be. Yeah, Mokoma Mumbo be a fan, but it's a copy. So it should be that level. As some friend. The money babo so any esa mo frɛ no the money babo so any esa mo frɛ no ɛno ne nyɛ kotoko asɛm o ati no sɛ tia Liverpool fo betumi akɔfrɛ ayi ɔman bi sɛ yɛ player wei ɛsɛ mo frɛ national team team bia no wɔ sa to me no national team there's no team not even Real Madrid ɛna betumi akɔfɔ so national Spain for sɛ kyinkyin momfa kapaya national team eti yɛsrɛ mo munja saa deɛ no na boy no ɔnkɔ so a no ɔnyɛ dwumaden ɔmmɔ no mmɔden Nelson Trofo ne Ghana for
yɛ dwumaden because since ɔmo yɛ boy no ma fam so da bi a opuvu
Ghana for Kotoko for supporters Ghana for
o say oh Abbas so far as any team e bia nya yɛ nkyɛ sɛ ɔno no ne performance o say team bit me ko off na player ba ko de oyi no ho ana or justify ntia na yɛ ntimi mfa no results no a ɛba ne sɛ as bi asɛm ka ho mabo 3 matches Kotoko lose nti for that matter onye papa ya na difference wo
of a penny BTA program no na or say Harry don't make that argument. Passports are called for visa called for visa processing. Some may be refused, some may not be available. Based on that, a final call-up will be announced. Even that, some may be on standby. Zakito is making it right.
Fantastic.
From Samate's general manager, Mr. Ibn Monaka.
Oh, okay.
nti yɛsrɛ mo boy no deɛ me fi sɛ sɛ ɔkɔ bi gyawu adwuma yɛ nyinaa ɛbɛyɛ mɔmo ma ne ho bɛyɛ nyinaa kɔ sɛ ɔmo sɛ kɔtɔkɔfoɔ yi sɛ moyɛnti no ɔmo nya wobɛdɛ ɛsɛ kɔtɔkɔ nya biribi wɔ ɛwɔ nkyi sɛ last time kɔbɔɔ drɔ ɛsɛ Osu Prince unse na no brofo de pa o chesa ampa o te o tra America
atra hoda
say last echedi mu press conference no o ka kwa fa so dwane ko America say o se match bi no prepare so o no fi o tra America
asa ko si
the last match bi na o mu ko say hihi o no mu no mu ono ye ashimi no gi red card no ni after match na no kon baby da after match na play hello call baby na no before the but before no I say translating into something
I say dream coach no the coach have some players me na that's why
so akwaka I say translating into something na apostle mo na abre unse also sikasama ID
o be muda kra so nye
sikasama so ID unse 1 million Ghana cedi na aban de ma no ama system na start so tino because of in say time no they say point temp and then enye bia temp tino tino o de aminja me chedi na on paper
but I say Zack Bilia
over Mr. Akame friend to call
na bia koya na no ko
Ekoi.
Okay.
O de mesa friend bi.
We na
no pressure so nim number no. Enti Mr. Academy.
O hwe no ka do better so sesi a.
Oh, that day no nya no ye call. Nti mbese o hu se.
Me Mr. Abbas asmo kan no. I agbe ejenya gbe asare. Pokoda chati no Olympics score relegation. Nti sa jewas na no obusa mo mbusa kura ko ya sare na
duro no
nti ko ya sabe na we
o nya 50
no ko no mo relegation na no
ma for referee asare any entry even Emmanuel entry ya Kotoko yi
pass nye di o tell me
oh I will be say a chela so there
Kotoko yi before so ba Kotoko sena AFCON 55 man squad na ni din euro
entry
yeah on asare that time no Olympics score relegation nti dia duru no obese house no Kotoko mko shebebi no me serious meeting no me you from supporters no me the agenda too esa agenda na e bozi
Sam
offer bozi pa
oh dear
na asi de o so many problem
debi
omunkamu
sorry tia beba
said after pola yi ni omunkabu mo ye bibi
sorry tia beba we asen say we asen sorry tia beba so what you say nti they say dia duru no you need to make good use of what you have. What you say? I said the ukuta obia no use no to your full potential. Now offer the ha me kakra na say. Asem who say clubs no more projected players no. Asem na ye ka no. Enye letter tro. You need to project the player.
Okay.
Ade kata ona na me no wachu ameka say. Kamf kanena nka instat statistics bia ba ma. Yeah, I said Gaywu 92 passes. pass accuracy.
o ba say na nse no eno nya ma ba na mu di short videos bi
short video ben
oh ma ya hu ma ku bi wona
of the duro no and yet a strategical. You need a team to sit down and push an agenda of obia prenani over obia prenani because player need to meet the dim no call Ghana and Austria or tra bench impono so just twa picture. Ghana prepare ko work up your free player. I'm telling you summer say nka value 200,000 and no kwa the another 200,000 ba be come no for them $200,000. Enti we no se wo san ye kura no timi ko world cup na FIFA sika ne mba ansa na de obeji enti we se wo timi twa budget baby abe 200,000 Ghana cedis the two for we but on say over ikai skani bia na mididi ne na ase kakra o ka kire mo se ye sika ne nye nkwan dia ho
kofu bebre ne di
ono onye sika na nya ne nkwan ne dia e se da krutimi fa central onye bone onye ahwi o but eso timi ko chaade wo ho no apie
wow
hey over na ni mi da onye bone ni ebegina wo wa onye mfum so be ebegina wo ebegile o enti esa wo ye ho adwuma enti wo ha bo se ne skafo no wo ha so wakosi dama police station wo ha wakosi hospital wo ha
no jija ye
fa ho jija
wo kwa ebone ayi betima bibi betima
e mo se from abone bo be china
ebehwe eno
what you say ye wo companies who krum ha political parties ni mienu no be election almost come them mom
I know there sure
juma na ewura
no the big guy
omo MPs they sponsor them to go to parliament and yes so per contract o na mo de mo ba ma mo be ha me mo ba e ma mo be ha me o madwuma ame ye sanete enti ofasa nyoma we nyina wan ti ase a obebre eso wo area duru ba bi eso pe area boys no na wo jeje chire mo mo
no mo kotra na mo
jeje mo
fa de kakra
me se o wasem be safe what you say enya se wo ko kan mo ho ne o makoye body ba wo de hu jija kotoko ne ha se som de hu jija
o man tam ko mutime fa echiro ha wi ye ya mo ba cash we se ya
o ba cover ma na volunteers e wo area mi so mo ye nyina atwatwa dues no mo hwe ba se wo fa echiri na wo so mo cleaner
o de ne de
wo area mo ho every
20 seconds
sana adwuma ne ye no enti kotoko ne has one they must help themselves. Where is the data to push Gaywu de nyina ehwe ne ye ka then e ma Gaywu bru obi so what makes Gaywu exceptional kasabre kotoko
video ne ba no na yi no
data ka yeah ebia this season wa bo 2,000 minutes when you MVP 5 then you dig deep the ball recovery to say ball retention the pass accuracy kwa me who say forward passes you say the ball enim oh na ni nyina aba na be discussion for be 2 days and no kura soldier discussion ne be no kura soldier omo mbeka sa oboa eni omo mbeka sa no kura na wan fa bia mba na ye de edide da we nien ko fa mbe de ha ofa debi sika na wo ko pe ofa nya bisa de no ofa woni contractors ye kwan ho adwuma akasa I'm telling you say so obedu time no more lobby for contract or yembe show you need to splash the cash eba no what tie frim obi enti me bisa
we so my boys and the boys we may adwuma ya ma we
what you say
betwitwa ya stars ya ka ho
asa wonya yenka over wonya agent bia na ni abre a opeso projecting the player obefa kire mama fo bebo nsem nagu
se bi na yenka ayi die
obefa kire enti kotoko and have to folk the money they can get because unim dey over kotoko kra de da lad ko bi mamu hu emu adodode no ha se free ba na ko mamu hu mu adodode no enti ka Ghana qualify wie na munyi players be miensa na mu soja no guma na ye ko yenim coach prince owusu kwasiada SOC form opa ye makasa nya tintin bebre ye makasa nya tintin bebre ye we sure more the best had to focus where some see from over
Chelsea Chelsea Sudan nya but I say coach with the free house or yeah, they be a house funeral.
But found Hearts that's 17th when it comes to home league table.
Okay.
Say the home one league table.
Your home games no.
Hearts na at that 17 out of 18 teams. But away Hearts na number 1.
Wow.
If they want to win the league,
they have to.
SS started Nyame Adomocha. They cannot be dropping points. Home sir. And Boajumano. Send your house supporters need to na ban. Me assure say some test for many abrepa. Yeso mu ko pie mu otakwa no, omu twi omu. FA Cup no. Takwa for ni twi omu kura. No etimi akotakwa atimi akonya draw against Midiama. Then you ban home a, there's that guarantee say that so be twena time. E be draw ana say obetimi ahye no. So ne ye ne draw. Oh. Say 5 points. It means has shower test about 3.
Yeah.
And you know one interesting thing. How to folk last match of the season when in Midiama or Accra Sports Stadium. Has for me so man I'm last match of the season when in Midiama or Accra Sports Stadium. So say na ekwa. Say be wait me see Accra. And can you imagine say has a ball last match or shower the league against Midiama or Accra Sports Stadium. 8 billion from you don't bet me a drew. Bet me a drew. It will be a big game. What mean common as enti wom say first na say uti omon common ma wa feed here and now transfer ban near identity e kone boko but team kese o kone boko no start so oben wo pe so be ka sam obuadu season no na has for any in that league GSO but time abuadu ba na hwiegu yesu ni jane so na say kai e betimi aye ni ye so Hearts must beat Brekum Chelsea and Kotoko over they cannot afford to come home and sapine.
Me da say Obed